Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to imagine a world where the toil of a farmer is met with not just sweat and soil, but also with innovation and technology. Picture a farmer's life transformed, where crop yields increase by a staggering 20, input costs drop by 15, and incomes soar by an astounding 30. This isn't just a dream, this is the reality that AeroGens is creating.
Now, let me share a story that drives this point home. Just a few days ago, one of the members of our community of farmers opened up about their daily earnings. They told me that on some days, they're lucky to make A's, but all too often, they find themselves trapped in a vicious cycle of recurring losses.
When I asked for the reasons behind these hardships, the answers were disheartening. The unpredictability of weather, the relentless assault of pests, and the absence of real-time data and expert guidance in their remote areas. The farmer struggle is real, and their dreams are at risk.
But what if I told you that we have a solution? Imagine a drone that hovers above, always vigilant, monitoring the farmer's crops, and providing real-time communication. This drone is more than a machine. It's a lifeline. It empowers the farmer with a suite of benefits that include services like crop monitoring, timely disease detection, as well as precision agriculture-based pesticide spraying.
This isn't science fiction. This is the mission of AeroGens. We're not just developing drones, we're cultivating a future where farmers regain control over their destiny. By the time I finish pitching to you today, countless farmers will have experienced significant losses that could have been prevented.
This isn't just a pitch, it's a call to action. AeroGens is here to make a profound impact on the lives of these farmers. Our technology is ready, our vision is clear, and the time to act is now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we need your partnership to make this vision a reality. Together, we can ensure that every farmer has the tools to increase their yields, reduce their costs, and elevate their incomes. We invite you to join us in this transformative journey.
We're seeking investors who share our commitment to revolutionize agriculture in India. Your investment will not just fuel AeroGens, it will transform the lives of countless farmers and their families. Let's create a world where agriculture meets innovation, and every farmer reaps the benefits.
Invest in AeroGens today and be a part of this remarkable journey. Contact us to discuss how you can make a difference and join us in cultivating a brighter, more prosperous future for our farmers. Thank you for your time and consideration.